Armored at the king's arms.
Of course he'd arrive in that.
Miss Frey?
Hand him your weapons. We must enter unarmed.
You look ravishing, Catherine. I swear we'll never love.
Not in a million years, William.
So, madam, your cards.
I seem to have
Where's my card?
Go on in, sir and madam.
Without cards.
Dear man, I am soon to become Prime Minister.
What in the blazes is our carriage doing here?
Did I hear something?
No, just the voices in your own head.
And yet, they are so much more pleasant than yours.
Charming.
Aren't I?
She's not there anymore.
Things really fine the way they are.
What about her? She could be Prime Minister.
I shall go and find the Piece of Eden.
As you wish. I'm off to meet Freddy.
The plans are located in the White Drawing Room, which is most likely locked. The captain of the guard will have a key.
Justice must prevail.
You are going to a school case. Keep your mouth closed, and this will be over before you know it.
Who are you? My arm!
What's all this then?
That hurts!
Girl, don't let you regret this.
That hurts!
Believe that things are fine the way they
My
are.
dear fellow, that's rot.
Take a look around you.
My arm!
Things really fine
She's not there anymore. Well, to cut the line, the baby's on its way.
The lady is with me.
Much obliged.
Madam?
No more mercy.
What can I say, Heaven? Really?
Come on then. That's it for you. There she is.
What would happen to us?
You are going to a school case. Keep your mouth closed, and this will be over before you know it.
Who are you?
My word.
You are going to escort me. Keep your mouth closed, and this will be over before you know it.
Who are you?
What is the commotion?
I wonder if anyone's been killed.
Gentle.
What on earth is the matter there?
My arm.
Trying to understand. He's only one man. I can't even...
My arm. That hurts. My arm.
Something
What's
happening.
happening there?
That hurts.
What's that you said?
That's not to say you both have bad names.
We're proud of our
But
name.
it could
That hurts. The lady is with me.
Much obliged.
Madam? Gentle. My arm. That hurts. Gentle. That hurts. Gentle.
Pleasant dreams.
What does she think she's doing here? Come on! Intruder! Raise the alarm! Give up now, before it's too late! You're not allowed in! Help!
Let's go for a stroll. The plans are somewhere nearby. Now for the vault. Jacob's most likely off stealing another carriage somewhere, or accidentally pushing the Queen down a flight of stairs.
There you are! I have someone I'm simply dying for you to meet. Come with me. Your Majesty, may I present Miss Evie Fry?
You're the one responsible for Mr. Gladstone's mishap.
Your Majesty, I apologize.
The cake is particularly good. Enjoy the ball.
I really must be going.
Miss Fry, may I have this dance?
Mr. Starrick, you've had your fun. But the game is over.
Listen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Time is a wonderful thing, Miss Fry. It heals all wounds. We may make mistakes while dancing, but the mazurka ends, and then we begin again. Problem is, everyone forgets. They trip on the same mistakes over and over.
People can learn.
Can they? Isn't everyone around you repeating the same steps? But if one man could remember the dance, could know the time, then he could change things for the better.
I have had enough.
This dance is nearly over. Soon, the people will forget the generation on this terrace. The ruin you nearly wrought on London. When the music ceases, Miss Fry, your time is up, and mine begins.
Thank you. Helga wants the child to have a German name.
I see.
Thank you.
I'll put you down! Nick him! There's a brave boy! I'm within range! Try and knock him out! This has gone on long enough! Somebody get the braces! You're making this hard for yourself, mate! Put it down! I can hear you panting from here! I've got a beat! It's me! Just another worthless cunt! Hit him all at once! Get your ass back here! We can easily shut into this!
Freddy.
Starrick peppered the regulars with his own men and took several guards hostage. Your weapons are in there.
Look. Right. I'll kill the imposters and rescue the captives.
How? It's impossible to tell the difference.
Oh, ye of little faith.
Now to find the real royal guards.
Keep your eyes open! We've got threats! Anyone! Grab him! See him! Cut his eyes out! Keep your knees up! Oh, enjoy cover!
I'll get you out.
Right! Smash your face in!
We're done here. Hold still for a moment.
Show me what you got! A different tune once I'm through.
Just keep playing. Get married.
Make yourself scarce.
Heads up! We have an intrusion! Any last words?
The key to the waltz is one must lead with one's right foot.
Oh, my!
Everything all right, my dear?
Do you require assistance? I never liked balls. Here, the location of the vault. Go!
Just like that? No plan?
No time for plans. I'll catch up as soon as I'm rid of this infernal contraption.
What are you doing?
Exploiting. I warned you, my boy. But you do not listen.
Requiescat in pace.
Something's going on. Good God, what a woman!
Jacob!
London will soon be rid of your chaos. This city was a safe harbor, a light for all humanity.
The shroud was never meant for you!
You would rather just...
Mr. Starrick! You forgot to escort me home!
Let me rectify my mistake. Another bride. First you will fall. Then I admire you'll come closer. London deserves no amount. Get out of my city!
Evie!
You cannot maintain this! Syndicate! Your reign is nearly over! It has barely begun.
Henry! This road was not protected! Jacob!
Evie! Now!
Shall we?
Let's.
Together!
London will perish without me.
You flatter yourself.
I would have created a paradise.
The city belongs to the people. You are but one man.
I am at the very top of the Order!
You were Mr. Starrick.
You were.
Shame we won't be partners anymore.
It's for the best, isn't it?
Are you gonna wear the shroud and run London?
Whatever it gives, it takes from someone else. You'd continue to age without me. You'd become like father.
A fate worse than death.
Will you wear it?
After you sorted out the boroughs, the chaos I caused, I couldn't compete.
Jacob Fry stepping back. Who's blackmailing you? Is it George?
He wouldn't dare. I've missed you.
Me too. Would it be possible to continue where we left off?
I'd love nothing more.
I'm starting to think Father didn't know everything about everything. Henry.
It's a big world out there. With London in the center.
Perhaps not the very center.
I came as soon as I could. Do not worry. I'll head back to the train. Did I jeopardize the mission?
Henry, you saved it. I think you belong in the field. With me.
A carriage! Nicely done, Freddy.
Mr. Aberline, please.
Your Majesty.
Miss Fry.
You've met before?
Did I never mention?
Mr. Aberline informs me that you three are responsible for saving my life. Is this true?
It is, Your Majesty.
Evie Fry, step forward. And you?
My brother, ma'am. Jacob Fry. And this is Mr. Henry Green.
Mr. Fry? Mr. Green? Kneel. Arise. I invest you all in the Order of the Sacred Garter.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
If you are as adept as Mr. Aberline implies, I may call on you.
Sergeant Aberline tends to exaggerate, Your Majesty.
We shall meet again. And Miss Fry?
Ma'am?
Should you want it, I saved you some cake.
Father would be proud of you.
Dame Evie Fry.
Sir Jacob Fry.
Race you to the train.
You're on.
That's it. It's under the palace.
Time to go.
Let's get the shroud to Dr. Grammatica immediately.
Sigma team beat us here. We're too late.
What do we do?
Killing really is the least productive way to achieve our goals. Kill them all.
Contact!
Cover me! That skinny piece of shit tried to murder me, Berg. I want him to bleed.
Hold still, goddammit!
Only the mission matters!
Understood!
Sean!
Galena, we need an exit!
Secure the vault! Our targets are righteous!
We need to go! Now!
Understood.
Shroud!
Forget the bloody shroud! Stay with me, Bex. Please!
We go.
Good work in there, Initiate. In time, we will recover the Shroud. And hey, we pulled a feed from our bug in Isabel's computer before they shut us out. Playing it now.
Sorry about the mess.
So, how's the Shroud gonna help you create a new clone?
It's not. When the Shroud is wrapped around the body, it scans it for damage and then reconstructs it on a cellular level.
You're not making a clone. You're gonna recreate a precursor from scratch.
Bingo! The Phoenix Project timetable just got accelerated big time. I'm going to call Alan Rick and deliver the good news. It's like Christmas!
Hello? It's me? Brought the Shroud as you asked, but I'm scared.
Do not fear me. You've done well.
I'm not scared of you. I'm scared for you. Anyone finds out what you've been doing.
You have played your part, my instrument. I will save you. I will save you all.